I have lots of stuff to unbox. Let's do it together. Hey guys, so let's do some PR unboxing. I have a lot of packages waiting for me because I just got back from Delhi after a 2-week family reunion trip. It was my son's first trip to Delhi and it was really special. I literally took a break from work. Sorry for the mess around, but let's unbox because I literally have, this is the first lot. I'm getting a lot of parcels as I showed you guys. Let's unbox. I have no makeup on, but I really need to open all this up. So let's do it. Let me get more. We have more, so let's unbox all of this. I need a lip balm before I get started. Pharmacy Lip Smoothie, one of the best lip balms ever. I'm gonna link it down. You guys need to get this. Don't care about the price because this is well worth your money. One of the best lip balms I've ever used. This pimple mark has been there for 2 months now. My god, incredible. Time to unbox. I have a lot of Nika parcels. So as part of the Nika affiliate program, we creators receive a lot of products. So this is the first one, the affiliate program of Nika, where we get products to try. This looks like some lip products. Wow, this is Makeup Revolution and Rom. Oh, I've been meaning to try this brand. Okay, this is called Romand Lasting Melting Balm, and this is the Makeup Revolution Lip and Cheek Cherry Jelly. So these are the 2 products that have come in. I'm sure more have to come. I want to really see this. This is the Romand. Romand is a brand. I think it's a Korean brand. And I've been meaning to try their products out. My god, this lip balm looks so good. Always excited to try lip products. So these are the 2 that have come in from Nika separately. Very small mini packages from Nika. So I think they have sent a lot of lip products. Earth Rhythm Glass Tint. I love Earth Rhythm products because it's a lip and cheek tint again. And again, it's a natural. Oh my god, it's like clear. I've used a brand like this. This is basically a lip and cheek. This turns into a color. Let me show you. Let me try a little. See, it's already turned pink. And it becomes a beautiful natural color. I don't have any makeup on, but this is how it looks. This looks incredible. I have used the same packaging and a very similar brand, but looks nice from an Indian brand. I need to put on some concealer. This is the Bobbi Brown Skin Concealer Stick, which is great for spot concealing. So let's be a little presentable on this video. I actually have an event today. I have to get ready anyway. The reason I didn't want to put on makeup is because one time a day is enough for putting makeup on your skin. But just to be a little more presentable on this video, we'll put on some concealer. Okay, done. Another Nika parcel. Let's see what this is. Again, one single product. This is the Spotlight Cream Blush from PAC. Oh my god, I love PAC products, guys. I love their brushes. But I've not used their makeup too much. So wow, the packaging is pretty interesting. It's a cream blush and I'm a cream blush person, and oh my god, this looks so good. The color is totally my vibe, my kind of muted pink. It's a dusky rose color. This looks great. I definitely want to review it separately. Big box, one product. This is the E.L.F Glow Reviver Lip Oil. I recently attended the launch of this product. E.L.F has launched its lip oils and they are very nice. The shade is Jam Session and it's a beautiful shade. I've tried this formula, it's very nice. So the next one is the Luxatia box. All the brands that Luxatia has brought to India are incredible. Let's get rid of all this. Very excited because I think this is what I want it to be. These are the new lipsticks. Oh my god. This is a new lipstick from By Terry and I love By Terry products. I told Team Luxatia you have to send me this lipstick and they sent it. Can you see this? Okay. Rouge Opulent. This is the lipstick by Terry. It's the Hydra Youth Serum lipstick. Wow, it's come in parts. Basically, Okay, there are two lipsticks. This is the beautiful lipstick. The packaging is so nice and the color looks so pretty. This is the shade Sweet Romance in this by Terry new launch. It looks very nice, and they've actually sent me one more. You can just put this in. You can put this in this. This is the other shade. It's a red. It's a beautiful red. So love it. I've heard a lot about this formula. So looking forward to trying the by Terry lipsticks for sure. Next up. Okay, this is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. I've used this before and I love it. It's a very good eye cream. And I actually feel Kiehl's is very underrated. It's got amazing products. So this is my eye cream was actually getting over. So I'm very excited to try this one. Oh, there's another Nika box, guys. Let's see what this is. Lip colors are always my favorite. So this is one of my favorite Nika formulas actually. This is the Nika Super Light Cloud Liquid Lipstick, and this is the K Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. Two lipsticks that have come my way. One is Berry Blush and one is Embrace. Beautiful formulas, both of them. I think this is the lightest liquid lipstick I have ever used. Let's see. This is Embrace in K Beauty. Oh, it's a beautiful color. It's nice. Perfect nude. I'm just keeping these separately because I have to shoot PR stories for these. So, okay, next. Another favorite skincare brand is Amino. They've sent me something. Their PRs are really good. Their serums, especially the copper peptide serum, is one of my favorite serums. I love these cloth bags that they send products in. This is Amino for you. Really, really good skincare, well-researched skincare products. And we have the Bioretinol Cream and the Radiance Face Oil. Two amazing products from Amino, especially this Bioretinol Cream is great for anti-aging, and this facial radiance oil is so smooth and lightweight. It's amazing. So definitely if there's something you need to try from Amino, these two and the copper peptide serum are incredible. I have no idea what this is. Oh, it's my husband's delivery. I don't know why it's part of my... Oh no, it is mine. This is the HK Vitals Veg Collagen. I'm actually collaborating with them, and I actually like HK Vitals products. So this is something I need to review and try out. This is the Veg Collagen from HK Vitals. It's 100% vegetarian collagen peptides with vitamin C, E and hyaluronic acid. This is for youthful and glowing skin. It's the orange flavor. So let's see. Looking forward to trying it. Okay, a friend of mine just came from the US, and no matter how much PR I get, I love shopping from Sephora US. These are the 3 products I called for from Sephora US. I ordered them for my own money. These are brands that are not available in India. So the first one is the Makeup by Mario Lip Pencil. I ordered the shade Burnt Sienna. I'm going to review this separately. Then I have Summer Friday's Sheer Skin Tint. I had heard so much about this and I love lightweight skin tints, so I'm very excited to try this. And last is this Super Glowy Super Gel by Sai. I don't know how you pronounce this brand. It's in the shade Warm Glow. Again, it's like a glowy filter on the face. It's a lightweight multi-purpose illuminator from this brand called Sai. I don't know what it's called. But these 3 I ordered from my own money, and I love shopping from Sephora, especially their bestsellers. What's up with my hair today? Okay. Tipsy Beauty has a new launch, so definitely worth a try. Okay, very interesting. Their PR boxes again are very interesting, especially the pouches they send along. This is the packaging. This is the Green Apple Martini Fruity Fun. Wow, that's like childhood. And I can see magic pops in it. Oh my god, this is like nostalgia for sure. What is this? Alpenliebe, guys. My god, this is childhood. Okay, let's keep it. Oh, I have one more magic pop. Do you guys remember magic pop? My god, this is the apple candy flavor. My mother never really allowed me to have all this, but yeah, it's still childhood. Okay, Tipsy Beauty has launched Pout Polish Lip Treatment Balm. Okay, very interesting. I like the lip balms. Ooh, this is a beautiful color only, and the flavor looks amazing. Look at the applicator, guys. How cute. Okay, looking forward to trying this. Very nice and exciting. I love it when brands share exciting launches in a very interesting way. So this is definitely interesting when it is clubbed with nostalgia. I have a big box from Plum. They are completing 11 years and unlock a world of magic. These interesting PR boxes. Wow. Okay, so there is the vitamin C barrier boosting serum. Can you guys see? It's heavy. This is the Vanilla Vibes. Their Plum body loving perfumes are really nice. Their body range is really good. This smells incredible. I've tried it. And then I have this niacinamide and rice water clear gel cream. So very interesting. 3 of their bestseller products are here. 3 of these are really good. What do we have in this drawer? Oh, how cute. There is I love how these boxes come in with, guys, I'm not even able to handle it. It has this cute pouch and some cookies. So this is from Plum, and congrats Plum, you guys have completed 11 years. One of my favorite brands, Faye, has launched something interesting. I think I know what this is. They've launched their exfoliator, and yes, introducing the evening exfoliator by Faye. This is what the product is, and apparently it's really good to gently exfoliate and refine your skin. What do I do about this construction noise, guys? Anyway, this is the Faye Skin Evening Exfoliator. I love Faye's products. Their launches are incredible. This is the packaging, and it's basically 5% AHA, BHA, PHA toner. Gently exfoliates for smoother, more even toned skin. Excited to try this. So that's Faye. I love Faye's lip products also, but they are also slowly getting into skin. This is authentic, unfiltered and inclusive. I love their whole idea of free and equal beauty. It's very interesting. Okay, we're on to the last package. That was quick actually. What is this? And it's empty? Oh no. Okay. These are earplugs and they are from Loop. These are the noise reduction loops basically, and they're really good for travel, especially if you have any kind of problem with sound. These are great. These earplugs are really good, and I've had these before also. This is the experience too, and interesting to unbox it also. Gold. Wow. This is how it is. These are the Loop earplugs, which are very interesting, and they're very good. So this is the last box. That's pretty much it for now. I thought I'll quickly do this unboxing and show you guys all that keeps coming in. A lot of new launches. In fact, I have a lot of other new launches here as well. So in my next video, I'm going to do a try on of a few new launches on my skin. Till then, I'll see you. Bye.